Hello guys, welcome to the Talk Mind channel. In my very first video, I want you to experience what it feels like to be deep under the ocean. Imagine this. You start as the lowest diver on the deck. No special name, just another suit standing beside the quiet mechanical hum of the compressor. The steel ladder feels cold in your hands, and the ocean water has dropped to about 5 degrees Celsius. As you descend, the darkness slowly opens to reveal an old shipwreck. At the same time, your oxygen gauge begins dropping faster than expected. Suddenly, numbers are the only thing that matter. Diving school taught you the physics, pressure, gas laws, safety tables. But the real job teaches you the risk. There are 40 meters of water above your head. The routine is simple: 20 minutes down, 10 minutes up. Year after year, the same process repeats. Heavy equipment, strict timing, no heroic moments. After a few years, you are trusted with the recovery line. Promotions here are quiet, no celebration, just more responsibility and more risk. Everyone learns the same unspoken rule: finish the job first, then go up. Then one day, during a recovery operation, something changes. Your communication line starts to distort. The voices from the surface break into static. A valve sticks for a moment. Your oxygen starts dropping faster. The wreck is right in front of you, but the line is not fully secured. You have two choices: finish securing the line or begin an immediate ascent. Your hands keep working. A few minutes later, you are back on the deck. The helmet is off. Cold air hits your face as you stare at the black water. The compressors are still running. Another dive is already being prepared, and that's when you realize something. Every descent is the same quiet calculation, and the ocean never changes its rules. So, how was your deep sea experience? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.